Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you this Revival Gear credit card multi-tool. But I got a little interesting deal for you, so stick around. Alright, I know you guys have seen these before. Some of you like them, some of you don't. You know, if you don't like it, I understand. But if this is something that you really think is a kind of neat, handy thing to have, check it out. This is by Revival Gear. It's a credit card wallet multi-tool. Kind of a neat design. Can't tell if that's a lion. Looks like a lion of some kind or a tiger. I'm going to open it up and we're going to take a look at the tools on it. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. Now this is, one of the things I liked about this is it's a little bit thicker than the other tools. I noticed that when I was looking at it in the package here. This is a lot thicker than the previous, let me get my hand there so you can see. Those previous little survival tools, they're really kind of thin and flimsy. This actually seems like it will hold up. This has a ton of different uses. It's got the bottle opener, the letter opener, the screwdriver, centimeters and inches measuring tool, bunch of different hex wrenches. Forgive my stuffed up nose today. I got allergies coming out like crazy because of the wind. So it's got a bunch of different tools on it, and it's a nice looking package. And you know, you can wrap your headphones around this thing because headphones are always getting tangled in my stuff. You can wrap up your headphones. You can wrap up some duct tape over it if you need to. So it's got a bunch of different purposes. We're going to try out the screwdrivers here because I have a pesky little screw that's constantly coming out in my my car seat. And I'll bring you back when that's all set up. All right, what you're looking at here is my seat in my vehicle. And every other week, there's a screw here that keeps backing out. I don't know why it does it. What I've done is I put a little Loctite on it. And we're going to try the screwdriver. And forgive my weird position here. I'm trying to get around the camera. There we go. Back in there nice and tight. No damage to the tip there, as you can see. And it's back in tight. So I'll show you some other things this thing can do. Now here's something a little unusual. You can use this as a cell phone stand. It's got a little slit inside of it that you can put any kind of card in, a credit card. What I'm using right here is kind of a flimsy, thin room key card. But you can see how that works right there, and you got a stand for your cell phone. And it just fits right in there. Now this is kind of flimsy and not that great, but it still works good with it. Alright, and of course, wouldn't be a test without testing it out for a bottle opener. And there you go. And no bends, no damage, no nothing. So it's holding up pretty well. You know, it's got your hex wrenches in here. It's got a letter opener, which is nice. It's also TSA safe. There are no sharp, razor edges on this. So you can put something like this into your carry-on bag and or your wallet, and probably you won't get a hassle about it because there's no sharp knife edges on it. It does have a nice 90-degree spine, however. Let me walk over here and get my my little striker. I don't have a ferro rod out here. It's packed in one of my bags. But you will get nice sparks off that. I don't know if you're catching that on the camera. Yeah, there you go. So you can use it as a striker as well. Something like this could fit in your fire kit. Another neat feature, if you've got some fat wood lying around, should have brought this over before I started the video, is you can scrape off some fat wood with the edge. So for survival, this has a lot of cool aspects. I wouldn't consider it, the be-all, end-all survival tool. I wouldn't take this instead of, say, a multi-tool or a knife. But it definitely has its place. It definitely has a purpose. I'm going to put the link down below, and I'm going to tell you about the other part of this deal. Okay? Let's move these back. Move my camera out a little bit. I'm going to let you know about the other part of this deal. Now, here's how it's going to work. What you're going to do if you purchase this product, okay? You're going to email a mail that I'm going to put down below, okay? And it's support at eTronic Edge, okay? And I'll put that down below. Don't worry, you don't have to figure out what I said. And you're going to email them, and they're going to ask you to share a post that you purchased this on your Facebook page. And then they will send you a free survival bracelet. This bracelet has a ton of stuff in it. I'm going to take it apart and show you all the things that are inside. I'm going to clean up my mess here, because I plan on doing something different. I'm going to make a necklace out of it with the striker and the ferro rod on the bottom. But I'm going to take it all apart and show you all the stuff that's inside of this. All right, we got everything unraveled here. So I'm going to show you, I'm not going to tear this apart because I'm actually going to use this in another Altoids tin. But I'm going to show you what comes in that bracelet really quick. You get 10 feet of paracord, knife blade, a little fire scraper here, fire starter, your little ferro rod. You've got safety pins, swivels, 2 fishing lines in there, fishing hooks, fishing weights, right there, the leather weights, lead weights. And you got 2 floaters, an alcohol pad, and some tinder. So that's a pretty cool deal. But I mean, that's not really what this video is about. We're going to get back to what the video is about. But that's just a little bonus you get when you order this tool. So I'm going to go over this tool, give you a last little bit of information on it, and show you again how to get your free kit. All right, so this is what the video is all about. I think you'll like this. I think this is made a little bit better than most of those. If you're into these and you like these kind of things, this is probably one of the better ones I've tested. It's actually thick enough. It's decent, you know. It's stainless steel, so it's not going to rust on you. It's got a box and letter opener on the top. And I just used this to open up a box, as a matter of fact, because I had Amazon deliver here. It's got a fruit peeler in the front. That's what that piece is there. I don't know if you can see the lettering. It says peeler on it. Got a fruit peeler on the front. Okay, it's got a phone stand, which we demonstrated. It's got a multi-wrench, 7 different popular sizes of bolts. Screwdriver to fix your glasses on the end here. I didn't demonstrate that, but that's a little screwdriver for the glasses. Screwdriver on the end here, and I've also used this tip as a screwdriver messing around with it. It's got a ruler on the side there. It can measure in centimeters or inches on either side. It's got a little headphone wrap through here. You can just wrap up your headphones around it so they don't get tangled up. And it's got a can opener, which we demonstrated. So all in all, it's a pretty good deal. These run about $11.99, okay? And the deal works like this again, okay? You buy the item, you email the address that I'm going to leave down below. That's support@eTronic-Edge. They will give you a post to share on your Facebook page, basically advertising the card tool and the giveaway. And when you get that, when that's all done, they will send you the free paracord bracelet with all the survival gear inside of it. Not too bad. You figure you're getting all that for $12? Not a bad deal. I've seen the paracord bracelets alone sell for $20, so it's a pretty good deal. Anyway, thanks for joining me today. We got a lot more videos coming up, so stay tuned. And we will talk to you guys soon. Bye.